Everyone.
Hi.
Okay, the first question that everybody asks is, what is an AI? I can give you an example, but I want Karnik's perspective on what he thinks in AI. It is not fully, we have not taught him anything. So, okay, Karnik, what do you think an AI stands for?
Artificial intelligence.
That's an abbreviation, but what do you think an AI even means?
Robots, machines.
Robots, machines,
Gadgets and
gadgets and stuff.
electronics.
Have you seen any AI in your recent life?
Robots.
No? Are you sure?
Machines.
Machines?
Television, laptop.
Laptop. You can say something like that. Okay. So, to make it easily understandable, okay. So, let's take a child, okay, a small born baby, okay. Consider that baby, how it learns to walk or how it's learned to ride a bicycle, okay. How does it do it? The first time, have you seen a baby, as soon as they're born, they started walking? So it takes time, right? What happens there? It just tries to, slowly walk a little bit and tries using a bed or something like that, okay? Then slow, step by step, it falls down, it understands what is happening, okay? So what happens is that as soon as the baby falls down from, while trying to stand out, it brains predicts and say that, okay, if you try this way, you may not fall next time. Okay, so this is what happens, that the child is teaching itself. That a child is teaching itself to make the perfect one, which is walking. Okay, the same way, mission A, it's like, to be very abbreviative, it's artificial intelligence. It's a living or thinking organism. Okay, but a true AI is not achieved by everyone, but we have something which is very close to it. It is called machine learning. Okay, so machine learning is there where machines learn by themselves. They use their previous experience. They have a lot of data which is there in the background. They use that data are like simple: stand here, don't stand there. Okay, let's say a child is there, don't lean too much, don't lean this side, always be straight, make sure you balance the weight in the low. Okay, so our brain develops as the same way the machine learns by itself. Okay, so this is a small abbreviation about AI. So this series of videos are not more about creating your own AI and making your own AI, okay? So we are going to be experimenting with it, so you don't need to be worried about it. Just in a simple word is that AI is artificial intelligence, and it's like a human brain, human thinking, but by machines, okay? So there are like different videos over on internet which is available, documentaries also. I would highly recommend you try out The Age of AI, which is from YouTube. It's a series of 9 videos, about 35 to 45 minutes. It explains very amazing way about AI. Let's say you are not focused on a career in AI. A career, what do you want to become when you grow old? Maybe my age? Computer engineer, something. Okay, that's good. So since you're already into programming very much, I predicted that you will go into computer science. Okay, let's say you are into medical. You want to become a doctor. Doesn't matter, you need to have a background of AI. So what I'm predicting now, in the year 2030, we'll have clinics in which you just walk inside, you take a sample of your saliva, you keep it inside a small slot, the computer will predict what kind of disease you are having.
Okay.
This is going to happen, and this is like, it doesn't matter even if you're into aeronautical engineering aspects, or just medical, even philosophy, there are machines which write stories. Okay, so a small example we have is that if your job involves, if a person who is watching this video, your job involves you using a computer to do some work, let's say Word document or some programming words, you will not have a job in 2030 to 2035. There is a high probability you will lose your job. Okay, so AI is developing so much into the future, and it is going to literally change everything, especially in our transportation, medical, science, medicine. It's going to be the big change. Okay.
So if robots come, most of them will be jobless?
It's not like that. When innovation comes, there will be new jobs created based upon the innovations. Let's say when tractor came up, automobile industry started. But even though the agriculture development became highly improved, the automobile changed the game, and new jobs were created based upon the automobiles. So when innovation is there, there will be new jobs created, but of course old jobs will be destroyed. Okay, so that's a small intro about AI, and I guess it was not too long as well. And probably from the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to experiment. Okay, the next video we're going to show you how you can use AI to draw a picture. It's going to be a realistic picture. You can draw it. Okay, so probably we'll see you in the next video. Bye.